Welcome back students. We are discussing quadrilateral. In a previous section we discussed exercise point 1 question number second one, and today's section I am going to discuss the third question, that is show that if the diagonal of a quadrilateral bisect each other at the right angle, then it is a rhombus. So here they given ABCD is a quadrilateral. So in that quadrilateral the diagonals are bisect each other. It means ACE and BD, these two are the bisect each other at the O. Then it is a rhombus. We want to show that ABCD is a rhombus. So first write down here given. What they given here? Quadrilateral ABCD, the diagonal are bisect each other, in which diagonal AC and BD bisect each other. Right? So to prove, what we want to prove here, ABCD is a rhombus. To prove here ABCD is a rhombus. ABCD is a rhombus. Right? So proof. See here, consider true triangle. Here AOB and another triangle BOC. In these two triangles, in a triangle AOB and a triangle BOC. So in these two triangles, BO is the common to both. OB is equal to OB, common side, right? And AO is equal to OC, right? AO is equal to OC because the diagonal AC and BD bisect each other. Diagonal AC and BD bisect each other, right? So bisect each other means these two are the equal. And here angle, see here the angle AOB is equal to angle AOC. Angle AOB is equal to angle BOC, each 90 degree, because the diagonal are bisect each other at a right angle. So in these two triangles, one angle and two sides are equal, means these two triangles are congruent to the each other. So the triangle AOB is congruent to the triangle BOC by SAS rule. Side angle side rule. These two triangles are congruent to the each other. So these two triangles are congruent to the each other means their corresponding parts are equal. So AB is equal to BC by CPCD. So corresponding parts are equal. So see here, ABCD is a quadrilateral. So in that quadrilateral the diagonal are bisect each other. It means ABCD is a parallelogram. Already we learn in a properties of a parallelogram. So in that the quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral diagonals are bisect each other. It means it is a parallelogram. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram. It means their opposite sides are equal. AB is equal to DC and AD is equal to BC. The opposite sides are equal in a parallelogram. And we proved AB is equal to BC. These two sides are equal. Is it clear? So these two are equal means automatically these two are equal. And Automatically these two are equal. The all sides are equal. All sides are equal. It means it is a rhombus. So write down here. Since quadrilateral ABCD in which diagonals bisect each other, then ABCD is a parallelogram. And the opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal. And opposite sides of parallelogram are equal. So from these two, call this equation 1 and this reason. Hence ABCD is a rhombus. Hence, okay.